Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fusner. How are you doing, guys? Hello. So, in today's episode, I would like to show you 3 of them came with spare parts which are broken here. Packaging is poor. The seller is a joke. Yes, broken on this side is still present. Here broken as well. It's a joke. I won't be ordering from the seller for sure. I don't know what I've dropped. Okay, nothing important. Let me go to AliExpress. I'll show you from who I bought, because I won't be buying from them. Maybe you want to know who I bought it from. I bought it twice from the same seller, okay? And the first time, capacitor on one side was popping out. When I've desoldered it, I've checked capacitance and it was in mega farads or millifarads. It should be 4700 microfarads. Okay, so Fortune House dropshipping store. That's what it is. That's where I bought it from. Here. I paid £30 for 3 of them, and before was dear. Not yet. Somewhere here. And 1376 when I bought one. Guys, I don't think it's worth spending money on. The quality is just extremely poor. I've got a guy in the UK, and I already spoken of him. He's made me toroidal transformer, 300 watts. He will be reminding me one which has 17 cables out of it for JVC, for the Wolf hi-fi for the customer. He will be doing that. I need to send it to him. He's rewinding transformers and he's making transformers, okay? So I will be cooperating with him, and I think I'll speak to him how much he would charge me for those. If it's not dear, I'd rather buy from him. At least I know the quality will be there, and the way he will do it will be either fixable, you know, or at least done always the way I want it. I would say that yes, it is worth ordering from China, and you see me ordering all the time, but in this case those components are a few quid. Literally, this is not dear. If you buy those 4 MOSFETs, 1 capacitor, and this IC is only programmed to work as a clocking mechanism for the MOSFETs to switch on, switch off, and that's it. And this is a high frequency, so it's not a dear transformer. Toroidal is a dear transformer, yes, or those ones which you see here in the Jamo. These transformers are dear. 2 Jamos, one came should be faulty, which is good actually, and second, to repair, at least I knew that I need 29 volts for it. So transformer 2 times. So guys, if you wanna buy something decent, don't buy those cheap transformers. If you're doing the project from Electronoobs and you need this, expect that one of the pins of this IC won't be connected. The power, which is a VCC, you should get 12 volts over there. This is not connected on them. One person commented on my last video about it, and that's why I know it. If you will look closely, pin number 1 of that IC is going through the resistor to the ground rather than receive a power. So don't connect power straight to it, because through the resistor to the ground you'll get 12 volts, and this resistor will be getting hot all the time and will be using your energy and might get even reddish, and you can burn even yourself. but when you connect 12 volts this should work. I didn't test it yet, now I will be able. I don't want to do on live. I don't have fire extinguisher here. I would have to go to the car or downstairs for one. So yeah, not joking. I will be testing it, and then they should work. So when you buy in it online, those inverters QS-100, when you buy them, expect to have no not working device. When you buy one, you'll pay more. When you buy in a bulk, you'll buy cheaper. And then again, it's not the quality which you want to trust. We will be building in either technology half bridge or full bridge inverter with a toroidal transformer, so we don't need to use high frequency transformer, which then needs twice bigger energy to create sine wave. Yes, but we can use toroidal 50 Hz transformer, so the minute you plug in proper power at the input, you will have proper output. Yes, and we will be developing those designs, and everything will be open sourced. I'm waiting on the transformer. It's 26th on the day of the recording, and 27 to 29 should come parcel from Chris from transformer company. So I would like to say, if you want to build it yourself, if you really want to build something decent, don't build yet. We need to, apart from understanding topology of half a bridge and full bridge, apart from understanding that one, we need to order all the parts. So I will be building that ElectronOOPS inverter. I will be. And I will be showing all the issues now, because I've got 3 of them, so I can build. I've got a controller, EGS002. I've got most, if not all, components for this design, okay, to build now. So I will be, in the next days or week or 2 weeks, will be episodes about this from ElectronOOPS, and I'll tell you where I've stuck, how I overcome the issue. I might get someone to help me. No, I'm not a designer, so if there will be anything with a problem, then I will need some help. But fingers crossed, what he's done a good job, great job, and we can duplicate his job. If we can duplicate, we've got a first edition. Now this inverter will be fine, but this has still issues. Okay, this is not great, and this is consuming 20 watts of power, for those who don't know. So yeah, the next design which we're gonna build, we will try to do more efficient and more robust, yes, inverter. I'll be doing additional videos for the design of this one, and then the one final video of all merged into one, when I will be describing the process, and I will be showing some pictures and some video fragments from the parts from the stages I was building, so that person who don't want to go through the series of videos will be able to look at the last video, newest video, and this way will be able to understand what I've done. So I think I'll do additional, because I've got inverters playlist, but I will be doing assembling inverter, this ElectronOOPS SPWM inverter. Yes, so I think I will do playlist, not this video, but I will do, when I will start to build it, and then test it, then I will do a playlist for that particular purpose. So whoever is trying to copy me and do what ElectronOOPS done on his YouTube channel will be able to leave the comments, even if we'll find any issues, and this way we can sort of understand better the design, and redesign it better later on. And I need someone who can code. I need someone who could help me with the design of the DC to AC 12 and 24 volts inputs and outputs 230 volts for now, maybe sometime in the future as well 120, maybe. I'm not saying it will be, but might be. But for now, this one. And we want to make it open source. 50 Hz on the output for 230 volts, and I want to document everything and make it open source. So we will be using topologies either half bridge or full bridge only, and I need somebody who can code it. With half a bridge, we need to monitor output volts and amperes and adjust PWM signal based on that one. Yes, from what I understand, in the full bridge topology we don't need that. So probably the toroidal design, the transformer toroidal, will be using that full bridge design. I think we might be using these transformers in the half bridge topology. Okay, so the cheaper topology will be based on these high frequency ones, but the pure sine 50 Hz, not modifying sine, the top quality which you've got in the Victron Energy and other brands, we will try to achieve in the open source design, and we will try to do with the Wi-Fi as well. So we will be able to monitor in our app or web app, or or something like that. Yes. So yeah, that's the plan, guys. Yes, that's the plan. What else I can say? That's it. That's everything in this video. And see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye. If possible, read what the Intecracy is underneath this video, what we're trying to achieve. Thank you.